Hey, so you clicked on this video because you are wondering what are the free top coding bootcamps of 2020. So some of you might recognize this entire, some of these bootcamps, some of you might not. I do have advice and experience to give you guys in terms of how to approach these specific type of free bootcamps and such. But let's just go get into it, okay? So thanks to this Reddit post, someone kind of started this whole Reddit post here on the Learn Programming subreddit, and now we have a couple suggestions, and these are the top ones that I picked out. There are other ones. Now I will leave this post here in the description below, but this is pretty much what you're going to get into if you want to get into web development or maybe even computer science and such, or coding in general, right? So the first one, and my favorite one, yes, we are getting into my favorite one already, full stack open. So this used to be called full stack open course, I believe, but they changed the website name. I did this specific type of quote unquote bootcamp or full stack course about, I should say, man, I would like to say maybe 9 months ago, probably almost a year. Someone actually introduced to me, and this boot camp is all about, or course I should say, is all about the MERN stack. Okay, so if you want to learn React, Redux, Node, MongoDB, GraphQL, and even TypeScript, this course will even go up and beyond for that type of material. Okay, so this is pretty cool because this is all in React. This entire website is in React. We start off with the fundamentals of web apps, introduction to React. So it gets right into React. But before you start this course, get comfortable with HTML and CSS and JavaScript, because this course is only meant for the MERN stack. So get comfortable with that already, okay? Once you get comfortable with JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, and HTML and CSS, get into this course if you like to learn the MERN stack, okay? The second quote unquote bootcamp, or full course, whatever it might be, is the Odin Project. Now personally, I touched this I think one time, and then I didn't touch it again. Not because it was bad or anything, but because I have no idea. I just never went back to the Odin Project. But I do remember it having nice, cool, material. We have the HTML plus CSS, JavaScript, Git, databases, Ruby on Rails, which complements the database here because you learn SQL, Node.js, and then I guess prepping for interviews and such. So this pretty much has everything you need to know. And honestly, looking at this is already my Flatiron Bootcamp material right here. Let's just click on one of these. So Ruby, okay, so you get into Ruby on Rails, deployment, views, controllers. So you learn about the MVC format, forms. So this is pretty much, I wouldn't say as much as my bootcamp, because you do definitely go into some, I guess you can say, some pretty difficult subjects going into Ruby on Rails and learn about associations and models. I'm almost kind of curious in clicking you don't get into models in this whole this on Ruby and Rails. That's pretty interesting. So my third website, or the third website suggested by the post here on Reddit, was Open App Academy. Personally, I've never been into this website or this bootcamp, but if we look at, and here it says right here, some of our graduates work at Google, Dropbox, Facebook, Slack, Uber, and Pivotal. It's pretty cool. So we have 3 plans here. We have the free plan, the mentorship, we have the software engineering track, and online. The free plan has pretty much everything that you need. We got projects, community chat, lecture videos, readings, all that stuff. So it's pretty much a full boot camp, 12 to 16 months. Meanwhile, we have the mentorship plan, which suggests that you will get done 4 months earlier. Not sure how, but that's just suggested, right? You will get done 4 months earlier. And also, you have one thing. You have the App Academy mentorship chat. So you're paying $30 more just for the App Academy mentorship chat. Don't know. You also have selected a plan, the software engineering track online, which takes up 24. So it's suggesting you get done in 6 months rather than in a year. Okay, and you get offered the benefits, the whiteboarding, the job placement services, and all that such, which is pretty cool, right? But if you're just interested in the free plan, that's pretty much it. The third, or I should say the fourth website, or the fourth free online course / bootcamp is FreeCodeCamp. I know you guys know this one, FreeCodeCamp. It's pretty much placed everywhere, and if you talk to a self-paced web developer who's trying to get into the job industry, then they would really, I would say, vouch for FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp has a bunch of these certificates that maybe perhaps isn't good enough to be on your resume, but it'll teach you pretty much the basics from front end to back end, and you will learn about JavaScript and learn about React, jQuery, Redux with React, and other front end projects that you can get into, which is pretty nice. I suggest you not build these and put these on your portfolios. Be creative, see what you can do, and yeah. So the fifth and also the last is we have CS50. Now this isn't really a bootcamp. This is more of along the lines of a course, a college course. Just like this, did I forget to mention that if you pass this entire thing here on the Full Stack Open course, if you and it comes with I know I switch roles here, but it comes with problem sets, and if you actually push this to get, whoops, this one doesn't have problem sets. See if the other one does. This one doesn't. Okay, it does actually. So if you push these problem sets to your GitHub, and I guess you have to show the University of I forgot what it was, Helsinki, I think. You would actually get college credit for this type of stuff. So keep in mind if you want to do that. But going back to the Harvard College CS50, all this really does is go over, I would say, computer science subjects. This is one of the few courses that will offer you a video format of what it is explaining besides the App Academy. Okay, so you can also look at the YouTube videos that Harvard College provides, Harvard College provides, and you can also look at the syllabus see if you are interested in such. You go over Scratch, Scratch is probably just what you have to start off with. C, arrays, algorithms, memory, data structure. So it's more of a computer science subjects and stuff. Ignore that text message. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys get into all these, I guess you can say these tracks. My favorite one personally is FreeCodeCamp. I would say Odin Project is up there too, but I haven't done the Open App Academy, so check that out too. See what you like, see what you don't. Most of these are mainly just the MERN stack and such. Anyways, that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what your opinions, and if you have any advice or if you have any suggestions for other courses or boot camps, or if you liked any of these. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.